The National Weather Service in Riverton has issued a winter storm warning for snow and blowing snow, which is in effect from 11 a.m. Tuesday to 5 p.m. MST Wednesday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Timing: snow will develop later Tuesday morning and continue through Wednesday afternoon. The heaviest snow will likely be Tuesday night and early Wednesday. Snowfall: 4 to 8 inches with the heavier amounts on the north end of the valley. Wind and visibility: south wind increasing to 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts to 45 miles per hour. Visibility will be reduced to under 1/4 mile at times in snow and blowing snow. Main impact: snow and blowing snow will create very limited visibility at times. Roads will become slick and snow covered with drifting snow, creating drifts across the road. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow and/or blowing snow are expected or occurring. This could make travel very hazardous or impossible. If you must travel, keep some food, water, and an extra flashlight in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Check the latest road conditions at Wyoming Info or by dialing 511.